Here's how to restore WhatsApp messages on Android. Now on your Android phone, let's first just open up the WhatsApp app. Let's say you accidentally deleted a conversation and you wanted to restore it back onto your device. Let's say in this case, I'm going to press and hold on Trevor and then hit the trash can icon and delete it. Now to be able to get this back, let's restore everything by tapping on the three dots at the very top right and then tapping on settings. All we need to do from here is scroll down and we're going to choose chats midway down. And then again, scroll down until you get to chat backup and tap on that. Now keep in mind, the last time that you backed everything up, it will have a record of every chat that you received before that. But between now and that last chat backup, of course, you won't be able to recover that. So hopefully it's not within the time that you last backed it up. You can see last backup, I just did it and it's on my Google account. Now to be able to remove this information and restore to the backup, I'm going to press and hold on the WhatsApp app and tap on the little I at the top right. All we need to do from here is tap on storage. We're going to clear the cache and then clear the data. And then after we've gone through that process of clearing all of the data, you can see on any case, you can tap manage data. And if there is any data to clear, you can tap on it. After we've done that, let's press and hold on the app and hit uninstall. And then you can choose to not keep a copy of that. So make sure you don't check that button and hit OK. After we've done that, let's reinstall the WhatsApp app and restore it. So I'm going to tap on search in the Google Play Store and I'm going to search for WhatsApp. Let's just install this app. And now that we have a backup from our Google account, all we need to do is find WhatsApp. Once it downloads on there it is. And you'll be able to see I can go through the process of restoring this. I need to enter in the phone number. So that's my phone number. I'm going to enter it in and hit next. And you can see as you go through this process, it will verify you, ask you for access to your contacts, etc. And now it says if you previously backed up to a Google storage and want to restore it, give WhatsApp permission to check your backups. So I'm going to hit give permission, and then I'm going to tap on the account that I have access to in this account. So I can use my fingerprint, and keep in mind you might need to log into your Google account to be able to see all those backups. But after you've done that, you'll be able to see the backup show up, and then you can just select it and restore all of your messages to that backup.